Good morning, guys. It is Sunday today, and I'll just be taking you guys with me today. Today, I'll be restocking actually all of my lip glosses because they are almost sold out. I'll just be basically showing you guys what I'm doing today, like what I eat and stuff. So yeah, I have my handy dandy employee.
You see my eyes? Oh, that glow though. Ooh.
So guys, here's all the lip glosses we have left. That's why we need to restock. Literally, we have just this one of Crystal, 2 of the red ones, 4 of the pink one, even though someone ordered, so it's literally 3 left, and just 1 of the royalty one. So thank you guys so much for your support. I'm so grateful. And we're also bringing in a new shade, a new color, a new lip gloss color. So guys, it's time to make the lip glosses and restock now. I don't know what she's doing at the back. It's time to make the lip glosses now. Anyway guys, let's get straight to work. We have gloves just for hygiene reasons, and here's a little note of what we're going to do. Yeah, so let's get crack-a-lacking. So guys, the restock is finally done. We've made about 30 lip glosses. What are you doing?
I'm trying to carry.
We've made about 30 lip glosses.
They're pouring.
Especially the purple ones. We just need to cover them. And they'll be on they should be on the website by the time this video is up.
Come on.
I have the purple one on right now.
So
now I just need to cover them. That is what the purple one actually looks like. I'm so uncomfortable right now. Yeah. We're just neatening them up and just covering them. Guys, this is all we did today. That's the new one, the new one added to the collection. That's Boss, that's Crystal, Baby Girl, and Royalty. That is it, guys. Everything is now restocked on the website by the time this video is out. Yes, Bish. Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So guys, go to www.esscosmetics.com to purchase your lip gloss and all your lashes. So guys, now we're just doing a little photo shoot for the purple lip gloss because it needs to go on the website.
Show me.
That's my little hand model. Come on then. Come on, it's cold. Here's our business card. If you've not shopped with us, please shop with us. So it's really late at night now and it's time to pack the orders. We have 3 orders, 2 for collection and 1 to ship out. So just be printing out the shipping label as usual. My hands dandy assistant. As always, she's doing it voluntarily.
When did my sister become such a comedian, guys?
So we'll just show you the process and little behind the scenes, and yeah, let's get started. every single day, but the orders, like the order packing part, like every time I get an order, I do that. I literally do that. So I hope you guys go shop on my store, and thank you so much for watching. Stay positive, stay blessed, stay beautiful, stay motivated, and don't forget to drink some water and mind your business. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I'm literally tired, like 10:30 now, knackered. Good night.